Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious rice yogurt drink. This unique beverage offers a wonderful blend of textures and flavors, perfect for a nutritious snack or a light meal. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can easily recreate this delightful recipe in your own kitchen. Get ready to enjoy a homemade treat that's both satisfying and incredibly easy to prepare, using just a few common ingredients. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients for this delightful drink. You'll need about 1 cup of cooked white rice. Short grain works wonderfully for a creamy texture. Next, grab 2 cups of your favorite plain yogurt, whether it's traditional dairy or a plant-based alternative. We'll also use 1/2 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey for sweetness, and just a tiny pinch of salt to balance everything out. These simple items are all you need. Now let's get blending to achieve that perfect, smooth consistency. Carefully transfer your cooked rice, plain yogurt, milk, chosen sweetener, and that tiny pinch of salt into a high-speed blender. Secure the lid and blend on high for about 2 to 3 minutes. The goal is to ensure there are absolutely no visible rice grains left, creating a wonderfully silky and uniform drink. If you prefer a slightly thinner beverage, feel free to add an extra splash of milk. Once blended, your delicious rice yogurt drink is almost ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the mixture into a pitcher or directly into individual serving glasses. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Chilling it thoroughly enhances the flavors and provides a wonderfully refreshing experience. Before serving, consider garnishing with some fresh berries, a light sprinkle of cinnamon, or a vibrant mint leaf. This delightful beverage is best enjoyed cold within 2 to 3 days for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.